Hello, amazing people. My name is Shaz. I'm so glad you are here today. We're in the studio, so you know it's a big deal. Anyways, we're going over a complete beginner's guide for AI and automation and how to implement it in your life and in your business to own your time and get that time back, guys. No more BS, fluff work, busy work. We're done with that. It's the future. We're automating all that stuff. And if you're a beginner and know this technology is the future, you just don't know how to apply it, you are in the right place. I'm going to walk you through how it works right now. So let's hop right into it. Now, if you're coming from my YouTube channel or my Instagram page, thank you so much. Definitely shoot me over a DM and say you saw this video. We can spark up a conversation. I've answered hundreds of DMs, so do not be shy. Definitely reach out to me. And if you want more info, guys, all of this stuff is for free. Watch those videos, take in all the information so you could learn how to use AI and automation within your own business. All right, now, if you're really serious and you have a business and you want stuff automated, hop on this free AI audit call with me. And essentially, we're going to go through everything that can be automated, and I will literally give you the sauce of how you could do it. I will tell you the softwares you need, the time it's going to take, and what you actually have to do to use AI and automation in your business to save you time. It's absolutely free. Call with me. I don't do many, guys, so definitely schedule that in if you see this video and if you take AI and automation serious in your business, guys. Only if you take your business seriously. Please do not hop on the call just to talk about random things, guys. This is for if you want sauce, actual actionable steps on how to use AI and automation and implement those in your business. So hop on the call, take advantage of that if you would like to. Now, this is the complete guide for AI and automation and how to actually get started with it. So if you're in the right place, you want to learn about AI and automation and leverage it to scale your business. You want all the boring work to be done in your company manually, to be automated, right? You don't want to go into the Google Sheet every day and type out how much money you made. You don't want to do onboarding manually. You don't want to communicate with your team manually. You want to automate all this stuff, guys. And also organization. A lot of people sleep on this. If you do not know where every single dollar is going in your business, whether it's profit, whether it's going to your employees, whether it's going to ads, whether it's going to softwares and services you're paying for, guys, you are going to get left behind. It's going to make it that much harder to scale. You need to track everything. And we're going to go over some amazing ways that you could actually organize everything and automate that organization. All right. Now, if you're completely lost, like what is AI? What is automation? You are in the right place again. I'm going to show you the softwares you need and how we actually work and go through everything, right? These are the topics we're covering, what to know, examples of AI and automation, how to actually start, the softwares you need and all of that stuff. And if you even need AI and automation, I'll give you an exercise to see if you even need this stuff, right? Because if you don't need it, don't waste your time on it. If you do need it, look into it, guys, because it will help you out. Now, the whole premise of this video is the time you save is the money you make. If you watch my other content, you're going to be bored or just fed up with me saying this, but guys, it's the truth. I don't know what to tell you. Time saved is money made within your business. Guys, we all have 24 hours. Your favorite people have 24 hours. Mr. Tate himself, he has 24 hours. Bezos, Hormozi, Elon Musk, Steve Jobs, we all have 24 hours in a day. How will you use them, right? You think Bezos is tracking how much money he's making in a spreadsheet every day? No, he has software that is automating this and automating that process so he could focus on growing his company to $1 trillion, right? Or whatever that may be for him. So essentially, AI and automation will help you delete that tedious work in your business, and you can then focus on dollar generating and meaningful actions in your business, which honestly is one of two things. You're either closing sales calls, which AI and automation cannot do for you, or you are improving your service, guys. All the other tedious work, don't do it. You should be focusing on those two actions, closing sales calls and improving your service or your product. All right, now, these are just a few use cases of how you could use A&A within your agency or business. Automate customer support, automate lead generation and qualification of those leads, automate onboarding, KPI tracking, so tracking everything for yourself and your employees, profit loss, all of that stuff. Sales call management, I'm going to cover this. A lot of people don't do this, but they really should. Team management and organization, those are just a few to list them off. There's so much more. So anything that has the same input continuously can be automated with AI and automation, right? So this is nothing new, right? Google Sheets helps you automate your profit loss statements. This has been going on for years now, but with the invention of AI, now different inputs can be automated about 90%. Guys, I'm not going to sell you this fake promise that AI could do everything for you. That's not the case, but AI can solve a lot of your problems now with a different input, right? So different inputs can also be automated, which was not possible earlier when it was just automation. Now you introduce AI, machine learning, smart technology. And it's crazy because AI will learn and actually automate different processes about at 90% efficiency, which is really good. It's better than zero, right? So customer support, I'm just going to run through a few examples of some automations you could do. Customer support, you could have an instant AI customer support chatbot that answers all questions instantly. You can have an automated AI email response service. So if you're getting emails about your products or your e-com shop, you could automate the emails back and send responses that are accurate to your customers. And then if you're a bigger company, you could have an organized ticket system for employees saying, this question needs answered. AI will help you answer it and help you send it out. And it'll all be tracked and organized within Notion or another software that we will build out for you. Now, sales call tracking. If you want to label and organize all of your sales calls, which you should be doing, you could automate this whole process. So essentially, as soon as you hop off a sales call, the whole call will be summarized, it will be organized, it will have the main points, bullet points and stuff like that, instantly transcribed, guys, and summarized, which is super powerful, and also instantly be shared with your team so they know what's up and they're up to date on every sales call you take. Also, onboarding. This is a huge thing. Onboarding took a lot of time initially until I sort of automated it with this flow down below. I'm going to show you this software in a second here, but internal and external automations and onboarding. Essentially, internally would be like hiring an employee. Externally would be like bringing on a client for your business. You want to onboard this process as much as you possibly can so you don't have to deal with it, because this stuff can take hours if you let it. All right. This also goes with writing agreements, getting payments, and communication. As you see here, a webhook would be triggered. A webhook is like an action. So say someone fills out a form on your website, the automation will recognize if it's a first-time customer. If it is, it will send them a welcome email, which is really cool. If they're a repeat customer, it'll add them to a database and invite them to sign a document and invite them to a Slack channel and all this other stuff, guys. And it's all automated. It makes onboarding so easy, so you don't have to deal with it, especially if you are scaling and a lot of people are coming onto your service or your program. You don't want to handle all that stuff by yourself. Automate it. All right. Now, the implementation, if you know what you're doing, is super fast, guys. Like, you could go from learning AI to implementing it to making money really quickly, faster than you might think, if you really take this stuff seriously. Now, these are the softwares you should know. I'm not going to go through all of them, but look up some of these. Let me know if you have questions on Instagram. These are the softwares you really need to know to really get the most benefit from AI and automation and how to actually apply them within your business. Now, I won't bullshit you guys. This stuff takes time to learn. I'm still learning. It's taken me months, but it is 100% worth it, right? And this is also just the beginning. So once you learn these softwares, you have to learn the technical jargon behind them, APIs, webhooks, how to make everything cohesive between different softwares. So it is just the beginning, right? Learning these softwares is just the beginning. You have to learn actually how to use them, how to apply them, but it's 100% worth it if you want to own your time, guys. Do you want to own your time? I hope the answer is yes. It is 100% worth it to actually look into this stuff if you're serious about your business and saving time within that business. Now, this is just an example. I'm going to wrap it up here quickly. Say AI and automation saves you 30 minutes a day. You have 3 team members, so it saves you 90 minutes a day. 90 minutes over 30 days is about 2,700 minutes monthly, or 45 hours a month. Now, let's say you value your time at about $50 an hour. We usually work with people that have a higher value for their time, but it's a very easy number. That's $2,200 a month you are saving simply by implementing AI and automation. And this is a lowball estimate, guys. This doesn't even include all of the actions you are taking in place of that time you're getting back. So say you close 5 more deals a month because you have the time to do so. That could be $10,000 saved. That could be $50,000 saved. It all depends on your business model, how many employees you have, and what you're actually selling and doing on a day-to-day basis that can be automated. All right. So this is just an example of how time saved is literally money made. And the great thing about this is you implement these AI and automation systems once, and they run forever, guys. They run forever in your business. And if you have to tweak them in the future, it's super easy. It's just setting up a base funnel, a base automation for this stuff. Now, do you need AI and automation? If you don't know if you even need this stuff, do this exercise. Track your time for the next 7 days. Everything, guys, from the moment you wake up to when you eat to when you go out to work out, whatever you guys do, track all of that time. And then look at the tasks at the end of those 7 days and look and see what can be automated. Right? What can be automated? And if it's over 20 to 30 minutes a day, automate it. Automate it. Automate it. Like, I can't tell you, you don't think 20 minutes a day is a lot, but guys, over the course of a month, that is a lot. And say you could replace those, 3.5 hours a week with sales calls, you could make an extra 10 grand a month just by freeing up that time and automating those processes. So automate it, or at least start to learn how, guys. You will be shocked how much time you actually waste on a day-to-day basis with tasks that can be automated using AI and other automation services like those softwares I showed you, right? So again, learn it, automate it, guys. It will save you so much time, and it is 100% a skill you need to look into for the future. Now, if you have any questions, hop on that call if you're serious about your business. If you want to learn more, I will give you the whole breakdown of what softwares you should use for the problem you're facing. and how long it will take and all the technical stuff. I'll walk you through all of that if you're serious about your business. If you want to do it for yourself, I have a bunch of free resources all over the internet of how you could actually leverage these technologies to help you out. Do not hesitate to reach out on Instagram, start up a conversation with me. But guys, we just hit that 10-minute mark. I'm going to wrap it up here. I hope this was a good free training of where to start, the softwares you should know, how important this stuff is, and how it could save you thousands of dollars a month by only implementing it once, guys. I hope to see you on this call so we can walk through everything. And guys, it's been real. Definitely hit me up on Instagram, DM me, and I will see you on this call later. Take care.